Hi, I'm Emmanuel from Acadeva. For the past few months, we've been building what we believe is the future of study and collaboration. To put it in one line, we'd say you're all in one student powerhouse. Acadeva syncs all your students' needs into one app: books, notes, AI assistants, quizzes, smart solvers, and more. We know collaborative learning works, so we made sharing and connecting seamless. In the study section, share books, discuss ideas, and meet students from other universities, read materials, download PDF to offline use, and take notes seamlessly. Our AI bots make life easier. Edima, your academic assistant, sparks curiosity with starter questions and soon vibrant media responses. Chalcogene teaches math, Quitten preps quizzes, chatbook chats like a lecturer, and Recorde explains lecture recordings. Manage schedules, join others, and get updates from course reps, plus weather alerts for events. Connect with friends, earn badges, and redeem points for data, airtime, or merchandise. For us, this is the beginning of the end of the tunnel. We've seen the lights, everywhere is green. Acadeva is the next big thing for students.